in this video I will show you how to fix Twitter verification code not received. Firstly, if you get up into a problem like this one, you need to get up on your settings selections on your phone. Then you need to scroll down and find for applications. Tap on that selection. On the search box on your right upper side, type without wasting any time for going by Twitter. Just go type for Twitter. Go to on that selection, and from here, guys, what is the most important thing when you go for storage? Yeah, of course, you're gonna clear all the data on that selection. Also, the clearing key, it will be by mains link section. But before you do that, you need to make sure that you have offload your application if you are on iPhone, and then if you are on, for example, on Android, you need to go on your Google Play Store, you need to reinstall it, your Twitter application, and then take it back by getting the latest version on it, and simply the follow section, and that problem, it will be fixed.